3:36, 1 month after the flood. Today is February 8th. The flood was January 9th. Let's look. New sheetrock there. Has been textured and painted. Yeah, you kind of can see the transition there. There's the transition between the old and the new sheetrock. New kitchen cabinets. And I thought we had put some stuff in there already. Yeah, we did. The spices. New sink. New fixture there. Faucet. The old stove. We don't have a refrigerator yet. Needs to be cleared. New GFI outlets there. There were only regular outlets before. New vanity. Old medicine cabinet. New door handle here. And this has been cleaned up. It looked pretty bad before. So when the porch is emptied up, it would be a good idea to paint the porch. Right now, I think the wood has never been painted. Should be painted some brown color. Sideyard fence has been rebuilt. And water heater has been lit. Everything is good.